أبرة أدامو قالوا خصمع سلزغونة تقليلنا اسمعيو زوم أب سكالا غفلكم زلهم أب تدحريت جن قرب تدونقصنا لهم تتعوسوا زمادي عزيو مدمقن متصبقن نيرمو أبزيات حويسكم أما عرقنا يبلغهم الله تساتفتي
كإيرترا كوميونيتي أتو سيراك بحلبينا كإثيوبيا كوميونيتي أتو أبرادامو ወደ መድረክ ትመጡልናላችሁ እስኪ ለዚህ ሰላምና ለዚህ ፍቅር አንድ ጊዜ ወይ ጭብጨባ ወይ ልልታ እዛ ጋር ያሉት ወይ አይሳተፉ ወይ ወደዚህ አይመጡ እስኪ እንስማችሁ ብቻችሁን ዳር ላይ ያላችሁ ሰዎች አይሰማም ከኋላ ያላችሁት እስኪ እንስማ አይሰማም እስኪ መሃል ያላችሁት ዳር ያላችሁ ታስቡበት እዛው ዳር እንዳትቀሩ ለማንኛውም ከፈለጋችሁ ተቀላቀሉ ወደዚህ አቶ አበረና አቶ ሲራክ ወደ መድረክ
ሰላማት ሰላማት ዳሃንዶ ፕሬዚደንት خيد كله ናብ አዲስ አበባ ዓርብ እንታይ ይሉ መስለኩም حانتني رأنا جحسكوا مالتين ده هسا تتراترو كلت هاجرات هذا حزبي اللي جمر ويس يا سلام سلونا سقاي سقاقة أمحرنيا أنا أمحرنيا حق زاربي أسرع عمد موسيقى أمحرنيا سميع يفلت أمحرنيا بجزاي تزاريو أيفلت جن قدامي مينستر أبي أحمد أباسمار أحمد بتجرنيا خزارة مسمى كل إنسان أمحرنيا يكنفني لو معلتي تمام يته مكبر مالتي قبله مخصم أخ جمرة إمبارح بزي لايف كنا حلفوت أنا حناسي أنت أخوين لكم يقوم نايتي دي أفرو خطو درفوت أنا حكم يلوم معد أرفيت أنا حنا جن دحلو معلتي ناي شلل معلتي شلل كنوا بينا كله نجار مسلام يلنا عراق مسلام يلنا بإنجليش أخزار بقول له معلتي نزوم أبزلو خلاص خكاتا تقولنا منتان عرايليو واتس أنا ديو دحان بتوم أبتدي حريد الله دحار كنزار بينا 17th of July 2018 peace rally to celebrate the peace between Eritrea and Ethiopia, Sergel Story, Stockholm, Sweden. Dearly beloved Eritreans and Ethiopians all over the world, we, the people of Eritrea and Ethiopia, have won at last. And our winning prize is peace, hope, prosperity and development for our two nations, our region, and more importantly, for generations of Ethiopians and Eritreans to come. The guns have fallen silent. Goodwill of all men and women is reigning in our nations and the Horn of Africa, and may it last for generations to come. Today we are witnessing unprecedented level of love, forgiveness, good neighborliness and togetherness of our nation. Even we have started doubting ourselves if it's really happening. We are starting our journey in one of the most proudest chapter of our two nations, that our generation might be responsible for the true renaissance of the whole. And the rest of Africa, let's seize this moment and let's spread the peace like wildfire. The white rose of peace has taken a very, very long and arduous time to bloom. It has suffered many devastations and many attempts to snuff the life out of the beautiful plant. Many times over the last decades, we have reached the point where we were wondering if it was ever going to bloom. And indeed, many have passed away before they see this ray of hope and blooming of the beautiful rose. And we pay respect to all those who gave their lives in pursuit of this ray of hope. May the gods receive them in heaven and give them eternal peace. And this is not only the loss. While we were fighting each other, many more have lost parts of their bodies. Many more have died in starvation. Many more have died of preventable diseases. Many children have lost their fathers and mothers. Many suffer from illiteracy and underdevelopment. In short, our loss is embarrassing and too big to fathom. So, the exchange of white roses between Eritreans and Ethiopians, instead of exchanging grenades, is a welcome sight for any sane person will embrace, and embrace it tightly. Embrace each other, hold each other, and never, never go to war again. Never. So, I want everybody in this audience to do me a favor. I'm going to ask for a favor now. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to hold hands with the one next to you like this. I want everybody to hold hands like this. Everybody to hold hands like this. Everybody has to hold hands, okay? And repeat this after me. Peace. Peace. Love. Love. Respect. Respect. Hope. Hope. Peace. Peace. Love. Love. Respect. Respect. Hope. Hope. One last time. Peace. Peace. Love. Love. Hope. Hope. Respect. Respect. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We should promise our